Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Wow, a year and a half, that's a long time. All right, let's take a look at our drought monitor. We are looking good in the coastal bend, courtesy of the 3 to 5 inch average rainfall we had from Hanna nearly 2 weeks ago. So we are not in a drought at all. We've far removed ourselves from that with the recent rains from June, July, and we'll see what happens in August. Satellite and radar shows that we've got crystal clear skies, a little front up to the north delivering some showers. This is the edge of high pressure right here, so we're being dominated by dry conditions. There is a little bit of moisture out here in the Gulf, very little, and that'll be paying us a visit on Saturday with stray to isolated showers. Not a big deal, but a little bit of a change from the dry conditions we've had all week. It's still 91 right now. We'll be down to 80 at midnight, and again, mainly clear skies on into the upper 70s just before daybreak, and the winds do settle down to around 5 miles an hour. So pretty light winds here again overnight after midnight, with the exception of Padre and Mustang Island. There's the dry air in the region coming around high pressure, and you can see that in brown right there in the water vapor imagery. That high pressure is going to continue to dominate. It does lift a little bit to the north, opening up the Gulf just a little right there, but not much, and that high will continue to be the prevailing factor in our weather with all that sinking air all the way through early to the middle of next week. So a few clouds around in the morning. Again, lots of sunshine and heat tomorrow afternoon. Then we introduce some stray showers on Saturday morning. They start to push inland Saturday afternoon, but again, not a big deal in the rainfall department unless you're very, very lucky to be right underneath one of them. Breezy now, but it'll be fairly calm in the morning before we see a moderate sea breeze again tomorrow afternoon. And for mariners, things start out pretty quiet here on Saturday morning, so good news there. All right, 78 at 7, a steamy start, 91 hot and sticky at noon, and seasonally hot, 91 at 5 o'clock tomorrow. The high will be 94 here in Corpus Christi, 95 for Sinton, with 100 degrees in George West and 98 out in Alice. Here is an update on the hurricane seasonal forecast. Yesterday we heard from Colorado State University. Today NOAA saying 19 to 25 named storms. That's double what we normally have, and 7 to 11 hurricanes. So somebody will be wrong here, but the bottom line is it only takes one storm, and we need to be prepared because we have a long way to go. Why is the season expected to be so active? In fact, the second most active ever if it comes to fruition. Warmer than normal sea surface temperatures, below average wind shear, and a developing La Nina condition out in the Pacific. That's cooler than normal water there, which tends to produce more activity in the Atlantic Basin. But right now it is really quiet. We'll take it. It's going to stay that way for the next several days headed into the weekend, which will feature 93 with a stray shower here tomorrow, 95 on Sunday. But the dog days of summer are here in the big way through the end of next week. That's a look at weather. We'll have more. Let's go over to Katia right now.